week 47. I just finished week 47. It's the start of week 48. It's the 23rd right now. It's Monday. It's 8:46 a.m. and week 47 started at this date and ended at this date. And before I move on with the video, sorry about the week 46 video. That got, I don't know why, but I just logged into my YouTube studio and that video was on private mode. And then just right now, I just set it to public. So yeah, sorry about that. Anyways, week 47. I just watched my week 46 video of what happened in week 46. And yeah, a lot changed. Like this whole week, it was so long. I literally forgot everything. But luckily I write diaries, so I remember about my day. So yeah. First of all, let's talk about the good things and then we'll talk about the bad things. So the good thing is about this week was, first of all, the Wi-Fi came back, and actually execution was like was going up and down. It wasn't in baseline or something. So like around Monday or Tuesday, around that time, I said to myself, like I didn't have a routine. After I came back to London, I didn't have a specific routine for London. And then I was trying to try out something. I was trying to wake up at 4 a.m. and go to the park, do some little bit of a cardio, skip, and start my day like that. I did it once. I think it was on Tuesday. Was it on Tuesday? Yeah. It was on Tuesday. I woke up at 4 a.m. Like it was still the fasting month then. So yeah, I did it. I liked it, and then I thought that this was gonna be possible. Like, I mean, it is possible. There's no excuse. But yeah, like, and then I came back home. I made a full-on routine. Wake up at 4:45 a.m. and the first thing you'll do is do cardio in the morning. But then, like, for 5 days, I couldn't wake up at 4:45 a.m. I was like, not for 5 days, but like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Like, I made the new routine yesterday, so Sunday. Yeah, so for example, like for 5, 6 days, I couldn't wake up on time, and then in that time, I wasn't following my routine. I was waking up at 8 a.m. and stuff like that. And yeah, it was bad. And then I was spiraling. And I was like, why am I not following my routine? But it's just ego talking. So yeah, I fixed that. Don't worry. Like I have the full on structure for the routine. The routine is up and running. I'm following my new routine. Wake up at 6:30 a.m. That's the thing for me right now. Anyways, yeah, Monday was good. Like Tuesday was a slip with lost sugar as well. Like, oh yeah, I want to talk about sugar this week. And sugar, obviously, I'm in London right now. It's a first world country, and getting your hands on cheap sugar is really easy. You can get sugar almost anywhere. You can go to Tesco, and there's literally a sugar for like £2, and everyone can afford that. And it's tempting. Like, does that make sense? Or did I say in a weird accent or something? But anyways, whatever. Basically, like you're tempted to buy it, and everyone can buy it. So yeah, like or for example, this week it was Eid, the Ramadan month finally ended. So yeah, like I went all out on sugar. Literally, like yesterday, so it was a Sunday. Yesterday was the 22nd, the last day of week 47. And yesterday I was just eating sugar. Uh, in Eid, I controlled my sugar. I didn't eat any sugar. I didn't even go outside. I was just full on trying to work. And before Eid, like one day before Eid, I don't know when that was. What day was it? But this video is gonna get too long. Anyways, yeah. Before, oh wait, Oh man, I'm so confused. Anyways, yeah, like basically the sugar was really bad this week. I was just eating it here and there without even controlling it. Although it wasn't that much, like an average American eats 30 grams. I think I ate more than that. So like yeah, it was bad. It was bad. It was bad. Absolutely bad. This week I wanna focus on that sugar and loss as well. Loss was it wasn't as bad as B46, but like I give in super easily. I don't like that. I am gonna fix that this week. Sugar and lost. That's the thing. And also work. On Wednesday, the work was so strong. I worked for like 5 hours straight. Literally like the work was behind and then I got it back up in the marathon. Like literally I was behind the marathon and then I literally full on sprinted to catch up with all the people. And then I went to the what do you call it? Caught up with my work. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, these 3 days was all bad again. Like I had a really bad work day. I think it was on Saturday or something like that. It was so bad I couldn't even sleep, man. And Sunday, I got the work structure and everything, and yeah, it's going good now. It's going good. So yeah, let's do the conclusion for week 47. So week 47 conclusion is it's getting there. It's getting there way better than week 46. Everything's here. I got good chair as well for my posture. I got a table. I got my laptop. Everything is set up. The only thing is I got a bad blanket. I know I said that I got a good blanket, but literally I'm freezing. I need to buy a good blanket. Anyways, yeah, that's it really. I stopped doing the surveys, everything. I'm back at work. I'm back in my workout. Now that the fasting month finished, I can go full on with my workout because I have the energy and stuff like that. And after coming back to London, my protein intake has increased a lot and I feel stronger. I feel better. But like also sugar as well. I need to control that. And loss as well. It was good yesterday. I don't think it was good the day before yesterday, but that's just an excuse. I need to make it better. Control. I've been in this game for 46, 47 weeks. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, that's the end of week 47. Of like at the end of right now is just the beginning of week 48. It's Monday right now. And same as last week, I'm excited for what's gonna happen in week 48. I'm settling down. I got so much business goals and it's gonna make me improve so much. And yeah, that's it really. Anyways, this video is already 8 minutes 30 seconds long. So I'm gonna finish the video here. I'll see you at the end of week 48.